Welcome back to AI Path. Agent Infrastructure, Part 3. We've covered where agents run and what tools to pick. Now the big one, orchestration. When your agent has 10 steps, 5 tools, branching paths, and retries, who manages all of that? Orchestration frameworks. Let's get into it. What even is orchestration? Think of it like a conductor in an orchestra. The musicians are the tools and the LLM calls. The conductor decides who plays when, handles mistakes, and makes sure the whole thing sounds like music, not noise. Without orchestration, you just have a script that calls the LLM in a for loop. That works fine for simple agents. But the moment you need branching, parallel calls, retries, checkpoints, or human approval steps, a for loop falls apart. Orchestration gives you 3 things. 1. A graph of steps. 2. State that flows between those steps. 3. A runtime that handles failures and restarts. That's it. Everything else is just details. Let's look at how the 2 biggest frameworks actually work. LangGraph thinks in graphs. You define nodes, which are Python functions. You draw edges between them, this node leads to that node. Some edges are conditional. If the agent decided to search, go here. If it decided to answer, go there. State is a typed dictionary that every node can read and modify. And the runtime handles checkpointing. After each node, it saves the state, so if something crashes, it picks up where it left off. Crew AI thinks in roles. You define agents with names, backstories, and goals. You define tasks and assign them to agents. Then you pick a process, sequential or hierarchical. Sequential is an assembly line. Hierarchical is a manager delegating. State passes between agents as task results. LangGraph gives you more control. Crew AI gives you faster setup. Both produce working agents. Now here's what nobody talks about: temporal-style orchestration. Frameworks like Temporal, Ingest, and Hatchet were built for long-running workflows before agents even existed. But they're perfect for agents. Why? Because they give you durable execution. Your agent can run for hours, days, even weeks. If the server crashes, the runtime restarts exactly where it left off. No lost state, no repeated work. They also give you built-in retries, timeouts, parallel execution, and human-in-the-loop approval steps. The trade-off: they're heavier to set up than LangGraph or Crew AI. You need to run a separate orchestration server. But for production agents that handle real money, real data, or real users, durable execution isn't optional. It's a requirement. Quick recap. Orchestration is the conductor, graph of steps, shared state, and a runtime that handles failures. LangGraph gives you graph-level control. Crew AI gives you role-based speed. And for production, look at durable execution with Temporal or Ingest. Next time, scaling. What happens when your agent goes from 1 user to 1 million? If this helped, hit subscribe and I'll see you in Part 4.